The third reason could be interference or noise. Like CRC errors, communication buses can be susceptible to electromagnetic interferences and noises which can lead to data corruption. If the message sent by the transmitter becomes corrupted and the receiver cannot interpret it correctly, it might not send an acknowledgement back to the transmitter. The last reason could be receiver malfunction. If the receiving node has malfunctioned or is not working correctly, it might not be able to process the incoming message and send the appropriate acknowledgement. So this was a short detail about the acknowledgement error. Now let's move ahead and try to understand about the last type of error handling, that is form error. In CAN frame, some part of its message have a fixed format like the CRC delimiter, acknowledgement delimiter and end of frame. These CRC delimiter, acknowledgement delimiter and end of frame are fixed format fields always recessive for the resynchronization. Any violation in any of these fixed bits result to form error. That is, if any of the bits are dominant, then it results to a form error. We can say that this type of error is mainly used for the purpose of the frame check. The form error is considered one of the highest priority CAN protocol error types. So this was all about understanding the three types of error handling, that is CRC error, acknowledgement error and form error.